going to do a little diet program stuff today. So this is something that you wouldn't normally think about, but arranging your fridge in a way that you can maximize healthy eating and make sure that you're eating properly. This is a nice way to arrange the fridge, just like this, okay? So you want all of your stuff, so when you come in, you want a snack or you want to grab something to eat, you've got your ready-made meals right here on the top. You grab them, you get one to go, you grab an orange, you grab yourself an apple. Do not put your fruits in the crisper, okay? You'll forget about them and they'll go bad. Second up, we've got our proteins and our carbs and our vegetables. So they are on the middle shelf, so they're here. These are perishable items that go bad quite quickly, so we want to get rid of these. We want to make sure that we know that we have them. We're going to eat them right away. Open up the fridge, they're right there for us. I need to cook this right away so it stays right here. It's away from everything. You avoid cross-contamination. On the bottom here is our fats. Okay, so these are things that we want to eat in moderation. We've got margarines, butters, peanut butters, those sorts of things. And the milk is down here on the bottom. We've got our condiments. Okay, so these are ketchups, ranch dressings, things that have a long shelf life, but we want to eat in moderation. Up on the second is our higher sodium stuff. So we've got our chili sauces, Caesar dressing, soya sauces, Frank's Red Hot, that kind of thing. Salsas, this goes on the second shelf, and then the top shelf, the stuff that we want to eat a little bit more of. So we got garlic, pestos, mustards, lime juice, all that kind of stuff. Now for the crisper, we want to use the crisper for. So deli meats and cheeses go in here, okay? Moderation. Alcohol, juice, pops, things like that. You never are going to forget that you have alcohol in your house. You're never going to forget that you have juice and pop in your house. But if maybe every once in a while it slips your mind that you have juice and pop in your house, great. Keep it in the crisper. It's not going to go bad. Don't worry about it in there. Alcohol, you're never going to forget that you have a bottle of wine or a few beers in your house after a hard day's of work. Keep them down here in the crisper. And that's that.